Welcome to BluFoams, Dry Cleaning and Laundry. We offer modern laundry and dry cleaning services for Miami and the FIU campus. Fresh, clean, done. No time for laundry? We've got you. BluFoams is open and ready to provide wash and fold or dry cleaning services. Clean clothes without the hassle, right on the FIU campus. Getting started is frictionless. First, schedule your pickup with options for 2-hour on-campus service or 4-hour off-campus service. Next, drop off your laundry during business hours at PG 5 to 144A Market Station. Finally, call or text 305-380-3062 to confirm your pickup time. We offer transparent pricing with no hidden costs. Wash and fold starts at $2 per pound for clothes and $3.50 per pound for comforters. Dry cleaning for everyday shirts or delicate silk skirts starts at $5. BluFoams offers local care with commercial capacity. Beyond personal wardrobe services, we provide commercial laundry and linen rental and exchange, scaled to power Miami's busiest industries. We are proud to be powering Miami's industries, including hotels, medical, nursing, salons, schools, veterinary, Airbnb, and dining and entertainment. We provide flawless linens for guests and residents. This includes high-volume room turnover for hotels, rapid, dependable turnaround for Airbnb hosts, and rigorous sanitation and comfort for nursing and care residents. Our services maintain sanitized standards for health and wellness. This covers hygienic precision for medical and dental clinics, fresh towels and robes for salons and spas, and sanitized bedding and scrubs for veterinary services. We keep the campus and nightlife crisp. We serve university departments, athletics, and campus facilities, and provide crisp table linens and spotless chef coats for Miami's culinary scene. Our absolute reliability is clear by the numbers. We have cleaned over 20,000 items with a 99.99% success rate and 0 reports of damage. Your fresh start begins here. Clean clothes are one tap away via our iOS and Android apps. Visit us at 885 Southwest 109th Avenue, PG 5 to 144A Market Station on the FIU campus. Our hours are Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Contact us at FIU@blufoams.net. or 305-380-3062.